Unlock ultimate creative control by seamlessly separating audio and video in Premiere Pro, a fundamental skill for any serious editor. First, locate your clip in the timeline. You'll notice the video and audio are linked together by default. To break this connection, the simplest method is to right-click directly on the linked clip in the timeline. In the context menu that pops up, you'll see an option labeled Unlink. Simply click on this to separate your audio and video. Now, observe the timeline. Your video and audio tracks are distinct entities. You can now select, move, delete, or adjust each one independently without affecting the other. For instance, you can now drag the audio track to a different position, allowing for precise synchronization or creative sound design choices. Conversely, you might want to remove the original audio entirely and replace it with new sound with the audio track unlinked. Simply select it and press the delete key. This ability to unlink is crucial for professional workflows, giving you the freedom to fine-tune your sound, add new audio elements like voiceovers or music, or even reposition your video for emphasis. Mastering this simple unlink technique will dramatically enhance your editing flexibility and elevate the quality of your multimedia projects.